Listen to this. Tesla would need 1,600 years to make the amount of money the stock market has put into it. Do you understand what I'm saying there? This is coming via Jalopnik. Tesla would need 1,600 years to make the amount of money the stock market has put into it at its current pace. This is, some people use this metric as an indicator of how overpriced Tesla happens to be.
Right.
That usually there's some sort of a map, some sort of an association between a company's revenue and its stock price. But you and I have said how many times, this is like Bitcoin. This is like fun stuff. This is like, you know what I want to have? You know what I want to have in my little portfolio of my little app? Yeah, I want to have Tesla in there.
Because it's cool.
Yeah, because it's cool, Willie, dude. And what is the price of cool? Oh, it turns out, seems to be unlimited. Seems to be.
Yeah.
So let me break it down for you. Tesla delivered 499,550 vehicles in 2020.
Impressive.
Easy.
You know, not to take anything away.
But how upset would you be if you're Elon and it didn't hit 500,000?
Oh, yeah.
499, 550. Oh, my God. I saw him make a push, too, at the end of 2020. He was like, quick discount. We're close to 500,000. Like, just buy one.
Yeah, just so we can hit that.
So they
mark.
could bill it in that year, but I guess they just barely didn't make it. However, its market capitalization in that same period shot all the way up to $750 billion. 500,000 vehicles, $750 billion. Wait a second. By comparison, General Motors delivered 2.5 million vehicles. 2.5 million. However, its market value is $62 billion. That makes Tesla's price to earnings ratio, I think actually, I have a follow-up story on GM. I think their market value is up right now.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind. But Tesla's price to earnings ratio is 128x. The industry average is 15. And if you just map that out across the next 1,600 years, at that point, Tesla would have earned the value, the current market capitalization value in that amount of time.
And then Elon can sleep at night.
He can finally take
Feel
it
good.
at that point, 1,600 years from now. So yes, it's a very unique stock in that sense. Stock is a stock, supply and demand. Buy low, sell high. Buy high, sell high. The stock is worth what the people decide it is worth. And if it feels cool to have Tesla and be on Team Elon, well, guess what? You're going to pay for it. You're going to pay a premium, and you might make money along the way. This rise is just unbelievable. Although I do think Bitcoin is down. I don't know. Do I have a Bitcoin story? I don't have a Bitcoin story. So let's get a Bitcoin update.
Okay.
Let's get a Bitcoin update since I don't have a Bitcoin story. Okay, Bitcoin's doing just fine. 37, 156.96 at the time of filming. Bitcoin doing just fine. It's not at that 40G,
Dip a bit. But
but it's doing just fine. Don't cry for Bitcoin, not yet.